What's up, people? So it is June 2021 and it is almost a year since I took the 944 out to the track for its first time. Got one session in and had a clutch problem. So unfortunately I haven't had time, so the car has been sitting in the trailer for almost a year, but now I finally got it out. And we are working on getting the clutch replaced. I've got some other things to do to it, but I'm probably gonna hold off on those here for a little bit. Just try to get the clutch done so I can get it driving again and put some miles on it. So that's the project for today. Let's see if we can get this clutch knocked out. So that was a lot of work, but I got the transaxle out, shift rod out. Next will be unbolting the torque tube, rotating it and sliding it back, And then I've got to finish getting the sensors off the bell housing off. And then I can take the bell housing off and actually get to the clutch. So it's coming along, but it's taking definitely longer than expected.